What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today I'm gonna be adjusting my shifter because there's always a little loose inside, and it gives me some trouble getting into gear. Now we're back at the storage unit where my car is. Got my little setup going on over here. I have my new tripod that I got. I brought my little tripod torch with me. I have my editor camera over there. Wait, I'll try to show you from a different angle. I have my second camera with this new magnetic mount. Actually got it on Amazon. It's really amazing. I did a test at home with my wife and my father-in-law to try to take it off of the fridge, and they were freaking out for how strong it is. And my little torch here to adjust the shifter. There's these spring-loaded adjusters right here that you pull back and you turn. For anyone that has Mark 4 or mk2 or whatever that wants to adjust the shifter, they could do it. I know there's plenty of videos on YouTube, but I'm here already, so I'm gonna try to adjust it. Okay, so first things first, you want to put your shift lever in neutral. This is the shift assembly. You're gonna want to push your shift lever down to about this height. I don't know if you guys can see it there. About that height. And then you're gonna want to turn this pointing upwards, and it's gonna lock the shifter completely. And once the shifter's locked, I'm gonna put that down. Once the shifter's locked, you're gonna want to pull those back. They're gonna end up locking into place. And then in the car, I'm gonna show you what you gotta do. I'm gonna put this here for some light. I don't know if you guys could see it. Alright, it's trying to focus. This is the drill bit. There's a hole on the shifter and a hole in the assembly on the bottom. You want to get a 5mm drill bit, or if you already have a short shifter kit, sometimes they come with it. Like Diesel Geek, it comes with it, but I don't have a short shifter kit. So you're gonna want to get like an Allen or a drill bit and bring the lever to the spot where both both holes align, so you could put in your tool. Maybe from this angle. You're gonna want to get the holes aligned so you could put the rod inside, and this is basically locked in its own position. Okay, so once the one in the tranny is out, you're gonna have to pull this one here out. You're gonna have to take out the slack on the wires by doing this. So basically you pull on the wire, basically take out the slack, and you twist it counterclockwise, and it should snap into place like that. Like that one there just did. And then for the bottom one, you do the same thing. You pull out the slack. You pull out the slack from the cable, so you pull back on the cable. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn it, and it's going to snap back in place, and it should align. So once that is done, that you adjusted everything, you're going to take out the lock on the shifter and on the tranny. So you basically pull it downwards. Alright, so the lock on the tranny is off, and now basically have to pull off this pin. Once the pin is off, you have to test all the lines. So first, second, third, fourth, reverse, first, second. Bushings right here. If you guys could see that, there's a lot of play there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like, subscribe. It would really help out the channel a lot. Thanks guys. Have a nice one.